The pandemic has brought massive financial uncertainties along with it. As different parts of the world begin to emerge from the crisis era, another challenge that marketers or business have to face is repressed customer demands. By now, most companies have realized that digital experiences have been their lifeline during this time. Now, almost 70% of customers are expecting connected and personalized experiences. That's why Salesforce built Salesforce Customer Data Platform. Salesforce Customer Data Platform was designed to supercharge customer interactions. It helps companies unify customer data to build a single source of truth for powerful marketing, advertising, personalization, and analytics use cases. And now, Salesforce has announced various innovations to assist companies in prioritizing their first-party data, which can be used to make customer interactions faster and more connected than ever before. Let's discuss some of the new updates under the Salesforce CDP. The first update is MULESOFT. Known as the world's leading integration platform, MULESOFT empowers marketers to connect any external app and data source anywhere securely. By taking advantage of MULESOFT, marketers can unlock data from AWS or Microsoft and integrate them with the Salesforce CDP data. Next is smarter segmentation. As the name suggests, this update of Salesforce CDP will allow business users to query data and build smarter audience segmentations. The update Segment Builder comes with type ahead functionality that will suggest new attributes to help users replicate, share, and improvise the previous segments for delivering faster results. Now let's talk about another update in Salesforce CDP, that is Tableau. Termed as the world's leading analytics platform, Tableau includes unified profile IDs along with calculated insights. Marketers can know who is more engaging and on what platform, and can easily explore which modes of channels drive the audience's interests. Now comes calculated insights. It is now a feature-rich platform with unified profiles including customer lifetime value and engagement scores. With calculated insights, brands can now categorize their customer into segments based on newly lapsed customers or loyal top spender. The last one is OpenSS. Salesforce Customer Data Platform will enable its customer to activate their segment data through App Exchange apps. OpenSS will offer a safe way for customers to enrich their CDP data with high-quality location information, behavioral intent, and more. That's all about the Salesforce Customer Data Platform's latest innovations. Some features such as Tableau integration and calculated insights are generally available today. And features like MuleSoft integration and enhanced segmentation will be available later this year. All in all, these new updates are designed to make customer data more trustworthy, connected, and actionable for users across different industries and departments.